robot has to identify a human standing in front and then track that person and move with it. So it could be used in multiple use cases in healthcare, in hotel reception industry, or in exhibitions. So it could be used in multiple domain, the same application. First thing, try to get to know what others are doing, what kind of projects, what kind of technology they're using, and then come up with your own idea of your own hobby projects. So you create idea of creating hobby projects and then start working on them parallelly to what you just do at your university. If you go to shop on Amazon, as an engineer, I don't just look at how good is Amazon. I actually look what technology are they using. For example, how does Amazon understand if I click on this product, what next product I will be interested in? How does it work? So recommender system. Yeah. So how does recommender system work? What kind of technology is being used? So you have to question all the time everything that's thrown in front of you as a technology guy. I still remember when I came to Germany, I was like bombarded with technology all around, because in India normally I don't see technology. For example, if I'm just entering a train, like I'm taking a normal S-Bahn or a ICE, it's full of technology. There are sensors, automatic closing of doors, detecting people standing there. So I was fascinated with those all technologies when I came to Germany, because I was always asking questions, how does it work? Curiosity itself leads to your enjoyment, because when you are curious about something and you try to find it out, that process of finding out will make you enjoy that. I was very lucky because I think in 8.5 years, I've worked closely with almost all aspects of business. So starting from development to sales to service to application, project management, product management, and now I'm into program management. It gave me an exposure to see and understand business at a very higher level. So to see how we really make great products and what makes our customer happy. I can tell you for sure, if you create value, you earn the value. So it's always like this. So if you do what I said just now, that you understand yourself and see your vision and then work towards it, then automatically it happens that you start creating value for everybody around you. And when you create value for everybody around you, it will also happen that you create value for yourself.